In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen Golf key fob. All you'll need to get this battery opened up is a smaller sized flathead screwdriver and also just one CR2025 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. Now, all we want to do to open this thing up is flip out the internal key, and then if you look over here on the back, you can see there's this section of plastic marked out right there, those seams. We're just going to insert a screwdriver into this key opening and just pry the back section off. So you can do that with any screwdriver. What you want to do is just gently push and pry it up, and it will come off pretty easily. And now you're going to take the same tool and come over here to the little indentation you can see right on the side of the battery, and just take the corner of your flathead and just wiggle it down in there and try to pry the battery out. Ideally, you would do this with a small precision screwdriver like this one, which would make it a lot easier. You don't risk scratching anything. But even with larger ones, you can just put the corner of the tool down in there and kind of work the battery out. When you're putting in your new CR2025, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and you'll just slide it under this piece here and click it into place. Now, when you're putting this back section back on there, you just want to line it up, first putting these tabs into this side of the key fob, making sure that those are in there before just closing it like a book and snapping it down into place. If you'd like to confirm that you've done everything correctly, you can make sure that your indicator light does come on when you press one of the buttons. If this video helped you out, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered here on this channel as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.